I'm Sherry Kay, award-winning pianist, composer, and National Cooking Contest finalist. I'm also known as the Jazzy Gourmet because when I'm at home, I like to jazz up my meals, and now you can too.
I have to admit, it took me a long time to decide to buy the ice cream maker attachment to my KitchenAid mixer. The reason it took me so long is because I thought, well, if I have an ice cream maker in the house, I'll just be making ice cream and eating ice cream every day, and I don't need to do that. Well, once I did finally buy it, I have never looked back. I love experimenting with different flavor combinations, such as my new banana blueberry cheesecake ice cream. It's inspired by my popular dessert, banana blueberry bliss, only I turned it into an ice cream.
Start by chopping up graham crackers into crumbs. Melt some butter in a small baking dish or ramekin and add your graham cracker crumbs. Mix them thoroughly and press into the bottom of the dish. Place into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. Put a banana and some blueberries into a food processor along with some lemon juice and pulse 6 or 7 times until the mixture is just slightly chunky. Mix together sugar and cornstarch in a small saucepan. Add the blueberry banana mixture. Stir it together. Turn on the heat and bring to a boil. Cook for about 5 minutes until the mixture has thickened. Then remove from heat to cool. In a food processor or blender, put cream cheese and sour cream. Add half and half, sugar, vanilla, and salt. Process until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl that has a pouring spout. Cover the surface with plastic wrap and stick into the fridge to chill. Next, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker. Break half of the graham cracker crust that we made earlier into pieces and put into a sealable container. Add half of the ice cream on top of that. Then add half of the blueberry banana mixture that has been well chilled. Repeat the same procedure for the second layer. Once you have created the second layer, stir it up a bit to create a swirl effect. Then cover and stick into the freezer for about 4 hours to allow the flavors to really ripen.
If you've been thinking about getting an ice cream maker and you just haven't gotten around to doing it yet, I strongly suggest that you do. And when you do, you can make my banana blueberry cheesecake ice cream. I'm Sherry Kay, Jazzy Gourmet. Why be ordinary when it's so easy to be jazzy?